And that's enough for the day. And that's squatting. Done. Dusted.
Out. This is fucking 80 kgs. You should leave and pose next to you.
This is nothing. There are people who squat way more.
Allah, actually, this is nothing. I'm skinny.
For me, it is a great achievement. For many people who spend their lives in the gym, this is a paperweight. And I'm trying to get to that point where I can call it paperweight.
All the best.
9 years from now.